We will do the mid-chapter checkpoint. We will do the mid-chapter checkpoint. Turn to page number. Turn to page number 287. You're going to do with me, so that's why be ready. I'll be calling out your names.
Miss, can you say the page?
Page 287.
Okay, thank you.
Girls, can you read this? I don't know why is it not shown here. A dash is, can you just read it, the first sentence, what is given in your book?
Miss, page what?
Page 287. I'll write it down here with the date.
Miss, should I read the sentence?
Yes, page 287, yes. Mid-chapter checkpoint. Please read the sentence.
Okay. A blank is a ratio that compares a quantity to 100.
When you compare to 100, is it rate or percent? When you compare it to 100, what is it? Is it a percent or rate? Thala? Thala? Girls, if you're not answering, honestly, I will just end.
Miss, I know.
Yes, Maria, tell me.
Yes, miss. Is it percent?
Yes, it's percent.
Miss, sorry, I want to bring my book.
Turn to page 287, write today's date.
Okay.
It's 26/12/21. It's 26/12/21.
Miss, can I do number 2?
Number 2, the first one. Write a ratio and percent to represent the shaded part. First, write ratio. Thala, tell me what is the ratio?
Yes. It's...
You know that one line is 10. And count the boxes.
17.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow. So it's 17 out of?
100.
Very good. So how do you say the percentage? What did I say you to change in the percentage? What do you do? There are 2 zeros. There are 2 zeros. So
you added
2. Where is the decimal point?
It's a 0.17.
17. Any questions?
No.
Yes, can I?
Yes, okay. Yalla Lamar.
60 out of 100.
Very good. And what's
0.60.
very good? 0.60. It can be also written as or 0.6%. Okay.
Miss, can I do number 4?
Okay, Maria.
Okay. It's 7.
7.
Miss, I don't understand. Why didn't you write 17%? Why 0.17?
Aha, yes, it has to be 17%, girls. You will just divide. If they ask to change 17 over 100 to percentage, but here it has to be 17%, girls. She's correct. You will divide when they ask you to divide, but here they just say, what is 17 over 100? So it is 17%. It is 60%, and it is 7%. Excellent, Daniel. It will be if they give you this, because here they did not give you this. If they give you this and they ask you to change into percentage, that time you're going to do this. Now next.
Miss, isn't it with the decimal point?
No, it's not with the decimal point here. When directly they give you a fraction and to change into percentage, if there was no 100 here, That time you will divide and multiply and you will get it as a decimal. But now it's not here. See, because already 100 is present. That's why we don't do it. We just write it because percentage itself means it is over 100. Percentage itself.
You just write a decimal when they ask you to change the fraction into a decimal, right?
Yes, yes. When they ask you to change fraction into decimal, then you can do that. Now, but they ask you to change fraction to percent. That's why. Now, if they ask you to decimal also, then you will write 0.17 and 0.6 and 0.07. But in the question, that's what Dana said, and that's correct. In the question, they said just to write as a percent. They did not ask you to write as a fraction or a decimal. Okay, maybe next question is like that. Understood? Jana, what is the fifth one? Jana, what is the fifth one? Feroz? 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 Maria?
Yes.
What is the fifth one? Can you say me?
11%.
Yes, 11 over 100. That is 11%. Haifa? Haifa?
Yes, miss.
Yes, Haifa. Count how many are these? One line is 10. 10, 20. Count how many are these?
Wait, miss, I didn't get it.
You need to count these. One line is 10. One line is 10. Look at this line. This one line is 10. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then you have two blocks. So what do you have here? 82 out.
82.
That means when you get 82 out of 100, it is 82%. Understood, Haifa?
Yes, yes.
Do question 7 for me, my sweetie.
Okay, 10.
One line is 10. Even this is 10. Even this is 10. So 10, 10, 10, 30. Even this one is 10. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
10, 20,
10, 10, 10, 10. How much it is?
30, 40.
Very good. 40 over 100. That means how many percentage? How much is the percentage?
40%.
Very good. Do you understand, Haifa?
Yes.
Good. Did everyone finish?
Yeah.
May I go to question number 8?
Yes.
Tina? Okay.
Yes, miss.
Tina, when I ask here to write in the other form, they want us to write in fraction, decimal, and also percentage. So when I want to make this fraction, how many numbers you see here, Tina, after the decimal point? How many numbers you see after the decimal point, Tina?
2.
Yes, so you will put 2 zeros in the denominator. It will be 100. If you see one number, you'll put 10. Okay, Tina? Now, what is the percentage? 4 out of 100 means how much is the percentage?
What did you say, miss?
See, Tina, if it is 4 out of 100, what is the percentage? It is 4%. Okay?
Okay.
Now, Tina, next question. 3 out of 10. Do you have 100 in the denominator?
No.
So how do you make it 100? How do you make it 100? You multiply it with what?
10.
10, very good. Same thing you will multiply in the numerator. So you get 30 over 100. 30 over 100 means what is the percentage?
3%.
Not 3, 30%.
Okay.
Okay, now Thala,
Yes.
1% means how can you write as a fraction? 1 over?
1 over 100.
Very good. And how can you write as a decimal? How you will write as a decimal? How can you write this as a
Miss,
decimal?
wait, we didn't do decimal number 9.
0.01.
Okay, here if I want to do it as a decimal,
We're gonna write 0.30.
okay, here,
Isn't
what
it?
did you say?
0.01.
Okay, now 1 over 5 means it is actually 11. Put a cross mark, leave it. If I will do this again, you will be in the trouble. You have to change this into fraction. That is 6 over 5. And then you have to do this. Leave this question. Question number 12. Question number 12. Maria, you have 0.9
Yes.
fraction. 9 over?
100.
No. Because how many numbers you see, Maria? After the
9 over 1.
10.
So 10.
10. Thala, how do I make
Yeah.
it as a percentage? What do I need to multiply to make it 100?
You multiply it with 10.
In the numerator and the denominator. So I got 9.
And then 90 over 100.
That is how much percentage?
90%.
Okay. Now when you have percentage, Feroz,
Yes.
when you have percentage here, how do you make it as a fraction?
You put
Instead of this percentage, I put?
the 0.5 and then like not put the 0. So I put 100 because the percent is 100.
Excellent, excellent. Now, this is 0.5. This is a fraction, right? This is fraction. Now,
Yes.
fraction change to decimal. There are 2 zeros. Where will you move the decimal point? 1, 2.
1, 2. So I put it in the beginning.
So 0.0.
0 and
Miss,
0.
why to the left, not to the right?
5.
Because it is division. Because this is division over 100. 0.
So
over 100.
when do we do right and when do we do left?
When it is multiplied with 100, you do with the right. When you multiply with 100, you do with the right. Now see 7 over 8. 7 over 8.
I know.
Let us change into decimal. 1 minute. 8 times 9. No, 72. That becomes big. 8 times 8. Let us do 8 times 8. 5, 6. Again a 0. 8 times 7. 56. Again 4. 0. 8 times 5. 40. So I get a decimal of 0.875. I get 0.875. To change to fraction percentage, decimal should always be multiplied with 100. So now it changed here and it is 87.5%. 87.5%. To change, remember girls, if you want, you can note down somewhere. To change decimal to percent, multiply by 100, okay? 355%. 355%, girls. How do you do it?
Miss, what?
355%.
divide it.
You divide by 100. Okay, this is, I got a fraction. And decimal, 1, 2. 3.5 is the decimal.
Yeah, I was gonna say that. And
This is
then,
correct. That's it.
and then
You
it's
have a- you have a
3.5
fraction, and you
over
have a
100.
decimal, you have a percentage. There are three things we must have: fraction, decimal, and percentage. So we have everything here. Did you all finish writing?
No, just
Now, girls, after this, open your copybook, everyone. And try to do this question exactly the same way. But I'm just giving it the different numbers.
Miss One, where is the K? Oh, okay. Got it.
Okay, this is A, B, C, D. I'm giving you all kind of questions. Yalla, girls. Do these in a copybook now. Now you will open. Those who don't want a copybook, do it in the, what do you call, a sticky note, but do it now. And if you don't understand, ask me, girls.